Alright, little update. Got my bike back finally, my '05 Yamaha R6. I was in the shop for a few weeks. I'm not sure what the issue was, but then found out that the bottom injector O-rings, I guess, were bad, and then whenever I took them out to clean them, that I guess they were misaligned, and then the throttle bodies were out of sync. So they did all that, and then finally I guess it came back to life, and it's ready to go for the season so far. But unfortunately, it is raining, and I'm very upset. Until then, this is the update.